this one's big shout out to the RC Airplane subreddit. These dudes, I dropped a video yesterday about HR 3334 and all the other bills that go with it, and all the goofy, scary things that our federal government is talking about doing with our hobby. And I posted it to the RC Airplanes Reddit, and this happened. Right? Yeah, that happened. And then I was like, the video got pulled, and I was like, alright, well, let me go talk to the moderators. Turns out they're taking the sides of these crazy people. Crazy people. And I tried to be cool with it. Tried to be cool with them. I'm like, hey, I get it. My video's a little bit goofy. 3 dudes went off the rails, said some nasty stuff, and he's taking the side of them, which I think is not cool with the hobby, and being a little snarky. So here's a little screen recording of his little conversation. So, we don't need to be acting like this, dude. It's a hobby. We have fun. That's what it's a hobby. Have fun. That's what we're doing. That's what this is. That's what it's all about. Learning, flying safe, having a good time, barbecuing, making smoked salsa, whatever thing you do on the side, and flying and having fun. The other cool thing is you get to see other people flip and flop and how they fly different or flying different machines and all that. Super cool. So we should be bringing each other up, not tearing each other down. So yeah, let's go watch some dirty analog DVR. Woo! Alright, now that we're back from our dirty, gross analog DVR session, let's go look at a little time lapse, because that's fun stuff to look at. Yeah, it'd be fun. So yeah, woo! Well, thanks for making it this far. Like I said, don't spread hate, spread love. That's what this whole thing's about. So yeah, the Captain Jim. you should be nicer to the people in your community, because we're all flying and having fun, and just because a few people don't like it doesn't mean that my video should get taken down. All because of your bias, because you admitted to not even watching the video and was being all snarky and stuff like that. And I don't have any real beefs, dude. Like, we're grown men flying toy helicopters. So, yeah, now that all that goofy stuff's out of the way, yeah, don't spread hate. Be nice to everyone. Like, we're all in this together. So yeah, shout out to all these pilots and all this good stuff. Like, this is why I share all these pilots. So, like, it's that part of the community. Shout everyone out, get everyone flying and hype and stuff like that. It's good stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up now, and y'all can have an awesome day. Woo!
All sis is going to hell.